Good morning, folks. It's Brooke from the Eastern Sierra Avalanche Center with your weekend update for January 24th, 2025. There's been minimal concern for avalanches, and the weather hasn't changed too much since last week. I don't need to reiterate what our low tide conditions have been like, so I'm going to focus on the weather moving ahead. Being on our 17th day in a row of low danger, our snowpack is generally stable right now. Looking ahead into the weekend, we're going to get some precipitation, but models don't necessarily agree on the amount or the timing. What do we mean by models? Well, if you go to your favorite weather app, here I am on Windy on my phone on the free version that you could use too, you can go to the bottom and select which model you're on. You can see here we're on the Euro model, and then we switch over to the GFS. Here on the east side, we also like the HER, which is a high resolution model, which means that we only get a certain length of time out. Each of these models will give you anywhere from 21 hours to 10-day forecasts. And you can see that the precipitation really varies when you compare them. We also have partners over at the National Weather Service. And if you go over to weather.gov/REV/avalanche, we have our own Eastern Sierra avalanche weather page with a 2-day mountain weather forecast. You also can click up on the map and select a point forecast. We have different forecast points across our forecast area. You can scroll down. These folks up in Reno forecast for a variety of areas, not just us. So scroll down, find Mammoth Mountain, and they use the national blend of models, which is their own blend of those models we were talking about, to create this forecast. So you'll find different numbers here as well. This is what we mean when we say that the models don't necessarily agree. Using these resources to look ahead, between tomorrow afternoon, which is Saturday afternoon, into Sunday morning, we can expect anywhere from 2 to 6 inches of snow in the most favored parts of our forecast area. That's going to be at high elevations along the Sierra Crest in Mammoth and up north in Virginia Lakes, while the Bishop Skyline down south will receive closer to 1 to 3 inches. As far as avalanche danger goes, this has the possibility to increase our danger to moderate for the day tomorrow, but tune back in tomorrow morning at 7 a.m. to get the full story with Steve to see how the storm is shaping up.